Your search for a beautiful home ends here. Welcome to 23 Monument Trail. This beautiful home is nestled on a ravine lot, double garage home that is welcoming your touch. Please come on in and take a look. This house is a showstopper. Wi-Fi enabled thermostats, Wi-Fi enabled pot lights, Wi-Fi enabled commands. Most importantly, there's over $280,000 worth of upgrades that you're gonna love in this house to truly call it yours. Whether it's to enjoy your coffee, your tea, or even a smoothie, a perfect living room area for you to relax and unwind, connected to your dining room area that you can call truly yours. You see how easy that was? That's how easy it's gonna be for you. Welcome to your master chef's kitchen with $40,000 worth of upgrades, your granite countertop, marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances with Jen Air. You have an opportunity to host family, friends, and your loved ones, and kitchen that you will fall in love with. Most importantly, you'll fall in love with the house. Family is the most important thing. Welcome to the spacious family room that holds sun-filled light, hot lights throughout the room, and a spacious area which you can entertain your family. Come upstairs, you'll fall in love. 4 spacious bedrooms, a washroom in each bedroom, a working area or a den, however you like, and most importantly, a place where you can call your palace, the master bedroom. A master bedroom, which you're gonna call your palace. Coming home after a long day of work, you're gonna love the washroom and the sun-filled room. Entertainer's delight. Over 1,600 square feet of a finished basement, pot lights throughout, high-end finishes. Looking to lounge on the weekend, this is the place where you would love to be. Easy access, that's the word. Legal basement entry, smart hub features in the basement, pot lights throughout, 2 full washrooms, a full upgraded kitchen, and most importantly, this home can either extend your family or a tenant if you decide to do it so. The highlight of the home, the 30 feet composite deck, most importantly legal, 2 privacy walls, and this beautiful view that you won't get enough of. I hope you enjoyed this tour. This home awaits you. If you have any questions, if you'd like to book a showing, please contact me and I'll be sure to help. Talk soon.